Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think this does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a while ago, but that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains still. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, right around 1125 was that area of resistance, but now that the price is above it, that would be what I would now consider the ideal level of support. Ideal meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Certainly if the price can stay above 1125. With that being said, though, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be very important. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1125 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? Nothing fancy here other than the fact that the party finally stopped today up there at $11.65. So $11.65 will be public enemy number one going into Tuesday. Although nice breakout move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this breakout and build upon this momentum going forward? We will see, but the week is young. Still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.